This is the third and final video in which we talk about how to use the Amherst Maps interface to create a parking plan. In this video, I'm going to talk about the front setback area. The front setback area, which is a distance from the front property line. As you can see on this example plan, we've got the property line highlighted. Please note that the property line is not the road edge. The property line is usually several feet back from the road edge. And in this zone, the setback distance is 20 feet. You want to check to see which zone your property is in and look on the zoning dimensional regulations. And what you want to look for is the basic minimum maximum front setback. And so we're in the zone RN, the distance is 20 feet. So what this means in terms of parking plans is we're allowed up to 2 parking spaces within the front setback. So in this plan we've got 2 spaces here and all other spaces are behind the setback. So you want to show the setback in your parking plan, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to take a look at the property viewer. I've created an example markup group here. I've got a clean slate, I haven't drawn anything, and I'm going to switch from the markup panel over to the selection panel. In the selection panel we can create a logical statement for selecting features and showing distances from features. So I'm going to switch from select to find all. What we're finding doesn't really matter. I just want to depict a buffer. So I'm going to change touching the selected to within 20 feet of the selected. And now here's the most important part. We want to pick property lines as what we want to look 20 feet within. I'm going to pick the top tool here, which is our Select Features tool. Once I've enabled that, I can just tap on the property line. And what this does is it creates a 20-foot buffer. So this buffer edge is our 20-foot setback. And I can now go over to the Markup tab, and I'll just use the Line tool. I've already set my color as green, so it's going to stand out from the rest of my plan. And I'm just going to trace along the edge. I'll just click here. And I'll click here, and that's my 20-foot setback. I already have the text ready to go, so I'll label it as such. And I can go back into the selection panel now and clear my selection. That's this bottom button. So I clear the selection. My setback line still shows up, and now I can begin drawing my parking plan according to that setback area. And that's it. Thank you very much.